So today I will tell you the side effects of this medicine. I'm your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Reltus and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredients are ammonium chloride, chlorpheniramine maleate and phenylephrine hydrochloride. It is a 120 ml cough expectorant syrup and its manufacturer is Pharmatech. It is used to treat dry cough and especially those coughs which are caused by common cold, bronchitis and other illnesses. So now let's discuss its side effects. It can cause nausea, which is the feeling of vomiting. It upsets our stomach. It can also cause sleepiness, high blood pressure, which is very dangerous, insomnia, which is the loss of sleep. The patient can't sleep, and palpitations, dizziness, headache. Headache is the pain in the head. Drowsiness, which means that you feel a little drowsy and sleepy. Vomiting, and it can also cause diarrhea. It can also cause dry mouth and also causes loss of appetite and constipation. So these were the side effects, as it is a cough expectorant, so it doesn't have too much side effects, but the side effects here are very dangerous if you misuse it or use a lot of quantity of this medicine and overdose it or self-medicate yourself. Then you will have a lot of side effects and you will feel all of them. If you take in the right dose and on the right time and do not self-medicate, these side effects won't occur, and if occur they will be very less, that you won't feel about it that you have side effects. But if you self-medicate yourself, these side effects will be a lot more. So that's what today. And for more details about this medicine and its drug interactions, whether it is good for you or not, and whether we should use in breastfeeding or in pregnancy, so for all of this you should consult your pharmacist for this, and do not use it without consulting your physician. Okay, I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi and your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad. So today I will tell you the side effects and all these details covering its uses and composition. I'm your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi and you're watching Side Effects channel. Let's start. Its brand name is Polymalt and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is iron 3 hydroxide polymaltose complex. It is a 100 mg chewable tablet and its manufacturer is HiQ Pharmaceutical. It is used to treat iron deficiency and also used to prevent iron deficiency. Now let's discuss its common and dangerous side effects. So it causes gastrointestinal irritations. Most of these side effects are on the GI, as it is an iron supplement, and most of the iron supplements have a common side effect that they irritates our GI. It can cause gastrointestinal irritation such as sensation of repletion, pressure in the epigastric region. It means that you will feel a kind of pressure on your epigastric area. You can have nausea, feeling of vomiting, constipation or diarrhea. It can occur patient to patient, it varies. It also causes a dark coloration of the stool, which is not that dangerous, but most of the people get terrified and got afraid that why our feces are dark color, and they get so nervous that what we will do now and that. So this is also a side effect, and most of the people get uncomfortable about this. So it's important to tell you that. Okay, as this is an iron supplement, as I already told you, it has very less side effects. Okay, as it is a supplement, but you should use it very carefully. Why? Because if you take it high doses, these side effects increases, their intensity increases, and these side effects are more felt and are very painful and are very uncomfortable, which can affect patient badly. Okay, so you should consult your pharmacist before using it. So for more details about this medicine and its drug-drug interactions and its more side effects, and in which condition we should use it and in which condition we should not use it, and whether it is good for your case or not, and should we take it in breastfeeding or during pregnancy. So for this you should also consult your pharmacist and do not use it without consulting your physician. Okay, take care. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdul Rafi and your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad. So today I will tell you the side effects of this medicine. I'm your pharmacist Dr. Abdul Rafi and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Dicloran Gel and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is diclofenac diethylammonium salt. Diclofenac is here as an active which is in salt form, and its manufacturer is Sami Pharmaceuticals. It is a 20-gram gel. It is used to treat pain and inflammation. It is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. So it is used to treat inflammation of the tendons, ligaments, muscles and joints due to sprains, strains and bruises, and also in the localized soft tissue rheumatism, example like tendovaginitis, bursitis and other kind of conditions which it can treat. For example, osteoarthritis, peripheral joint and other vertebral column injuries. So now let's discuss its side effects. It can cause allergic and non-allergic contact dermatitis. Dermatitis is the inflammation of our skin. It can also cause generalized skin rashes, hypersensitive reactions which are very dangerous, photosensitivity reactions which are also dangerous. In these photosensitivity reactions, the patient becomes sensitive to the light and the patient can't tolerate the light, and it is very dangerous because when the photosensitive reaction occurs on our skin, it can harm our skin and cosmetically it can damage our skin and can cause scars and the skin have spots on it. So cosmetically very dangerous, especially for the women and ladies. They are often very sensitive for their skin, so it's a side effect. But here you are seeing that there are not so much side effects because as it is in topical form usually have less side effects. That's why it is formulated in this form. That's why it has less side effects. Otherwise, if you search the profile of this medicine, you will find a lot of side effects. But as here it is in topical form, in the dosage form, so it has less side effects because it has localized effect as on the affected tissue only and not in the overall blood circulation, that is the systemic circulation. That's why it has less side effects. Okay, so overall this medicine is very good. So for more details about this medicine, its drug-drug interactions and more side effects, and whether it is good for you or not, and whether it should be used in pregnancy or breastfeeding, as you can see here in the pregnancy, it is not recommended during pregnancy. Okay, so and for other kind of details, you should consult your pharmacist and do not use it without consulting your physician. Okay, so that's for today. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdul Rafi in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad.